$70,000. That's how much money you could have made if you sold this book right here for around $11 to around 7,000 people. As you can see, you got 731 ratings, and about 5 to 10% people actually bother rating the product, which means I got about 7,000 sales in total. Now this is a stupid little kids book, and it generated 70k. I'm assuming most of it, so 50k is profit. I mean, it's a lot of money for a silly little kids book, right? I'm actually showing you today how to do this for yourself using, again, ChatGPT. Let's get into the video. Okay, so when it comes to this, you need to write about something that a kid can relate to, roughly 5 to 10 years of age. So maybe something like an animal gets lost in the jungle and a kid finds and helps it, or maybe the kid gets lost in the jungle. Okay, let's see what we can write. A story about a kid lost in jungle and tiger helps it. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, this is not the proper ChatGPT, it's just like a free one where you don't have to sign in and stuff, but you should probably use the real one. It's way better. Okay, when this is done loading, I'll come back. You can see it is done loading and it starts right here. Once upon a time, only goes up to here because this is not the full version, but yeah, the full version will give you the whole, I don't know, 10 pages or whatnot that you want it to be. Okay, once we've done this, we're gonna put it into a PDF file and add some pictures. Here using Canva, it's completely free. You can create a book cover, book cover, and if you want some free pictures, you can type in tiger for kids free PNG. Take these stock photos and then you can just pop it here, and then boom, edit the thing to whatever you want, right? If you hit upload here, you can put this picture, you can drag this picture here, yeah, and basically just edit it to your liking, right? And then when you're done, you're gonna hit create PDF book free. Okay, you can use this here, you can use Canva, right, again if you want. Okay, once we've done all that, then all you really need to do is go into the Amazon Kindle publishing, this here, sign up, and then you can publish your book for here. I think they take about 30% off the top, right? So you make about 70% in royalties, right? Yeah, and just paste it on Amazon and you're on your way. It's making. Okay, again, if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below what I should do next, whether it's using ChatGPT or other ways of making money. But there's really a lot of stuff out there. I mean, you can make 70,000 a month, to be honest. Just gotta think. Okay, next video probably be something better. I know my videos are pretty short, but I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.